Welcome to our new listing at 6815 Maynada Street in Coral Gables. This is a wonderful location. You're extremely central. You're very close to Sunset Elementary School, which offers a magnet program for the elementary classes. You're also very close to the shops at Sunset, which have fantastic dining, shops and cinemas and the like. You're very close to Coco Plum, to many parks, to biking, to trailing. Also the University of Miami, you could be there like in 5 minutes, would be my estimate. And what else? What's wonderful, what I really love about the house is it's a 13,200 square foot lot. It's extremely hard nowadays to find this size lot, and it's offered at less than 2 million. So now's your opportunity. Come check it out, and we can't wait to show it to you.